Two. Deepak is from as I said, the India Gas Exchange. And quickly, maybe you would also like to, you can make a sales point here for membership as long as you give me something for it. But apart from that, you can just have a word about the gas exchange and what you plan to do about it.
Thank you, sir. I represent Indian Gas Exchange, not IEX actually. So just to make the atmosphere a bit vibrant, I am happy to announce that IGX would become a reality most likely in the month of March itself. So guys exposed in gas, buying or selling, would be able to use our platform to buy natural gas in the spot market. So just a brief background, IGX is a 100% subsidiary of Indian Gas Exchange, that is Indian Energy Exchange, that is IEX. IEX holds a 97% market share in the electricity spot market. And you name any corporate, more than 6,000 corporates are using our platform to trade electricity in the spot market. And as far as short-term spot market is concerned, we hold a 40% market share. And ours is a listed company on NSE and BSE, regulated by CRC, and we have all ISO approvals to run a successful company. Now coming back to IGX, IGX, as I said, most likely we will be launching in the month of March, in the last week of March. And we have already initiated the membership drive. You might have seen IGX membership ad coming in all Economic Times edition on 24th February, where we are inviting membership applications and client applications, along with some introductory offers, which I can discuss on one-to-one basis. We plan to launch different type of contracts. One would be Dahej based and one would be Hazira based. The type of contracts include day ahead market, daily market, week ahead contract, a fortnightly contract, and a monthly contract. So initially we might have a day ahead contract only on the Hazira, maybe Hazira port, because PIL has already confirmed that they can confirm the capacity confirmation within a day. So the customers who are directly connected on the Shell terminal can use our platform to buy gas from the sellers on the PIL network. And as far as the auction model is concerned, we will be following the same success story of IEX, where we use a double-sided auction, where buyers and sellers, they bid in a black box. We'll have a trading window from 10 to 12, where you can put in your bids based on your budgeted price. So price which you will be bidding on the exchange or asking on the exchange won't have any benchmark. So we'll have a Indian price discovery happening in India. And all the quotes would be in INR per MMBTU. So you can bid your price between 10 to 12, then the exchange runs the matching mechanism. Then we share the details with the transporter. So transporter takes around 3 to 4 days to confirm the capacity, in case if it is GAIL or GSPC. So once we get the confirmation from the transporter, we ask the buyers to deposit the cash, and we confirm the seller, yes, deposits have come and you can release the gas. And entire settlement cycle, the risk mechanism, everything is guaranteed by IGX. So this is how you can use our platform, where the price would be discovered based on local demand and supply, rather than following the maybe Brent prices or some another benchmarks like Japan and Korea. So we'll have an Indian benchmark maybe from April onwards. And then the important point that we will be initially charging small transaction charges for our survival. So that would be again market linked. So we won't be impacting much on your balance sheet. So we will have a certain margining system before putting in a bid. We'll be asking a small percentage from the buyer side also and from the seller side also, so that the risk management is taken care by the IGX. So as far as the wish list is concerned, from the regulatory side, we want a unified entry-exit tariff. If the regulators or the ministry can have a look. And the capacity confirmation, if we can get from the transporter within a day, because we have a very successful day-ahead market in electricity contracts, where we get the capacity confirmation from the transporter within the day. And even we are planning to launch a real-term market in electricity, where the capacity confirmation would be shared in a couple of hours. So that is the vision we have going forward. Maybe in another year or so, you will have a real market happening on the IGX platform also. And plus, if to develop this market further, we have also requested that the sellers, I mean the buyers, should be allowed to sell at least some quantity of their nominated quantity to resell that gas in order to encourage more number of sellers, so that in case if I am a buyer, if I am not able to consume 100% of gas, so instead of paying say 80% take or pay, some percentage should be allowed for that buyer to resell that gas on the spot platform. So these are our wish lists, sir. Once to further develop this market, once we get this confirmation from the regulators or from the ministries, you can further develop the market, sir.
Thank you. I hope you made a good push.